Before we begin, none of the information regarding customer names, numbers, or emails are real and are for educational purposes only. In this video, we'll walk through how to create a sale in the Jeweler's Flow app. Starting from the dashboard, tap the Register tab to access the Sales section. Here, you can view your sales activity by day, week, month, or year, giving you a clear overview of your store's performance. To create a new transaction, tap the plus button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open the New Sale page. First, select the type of transaction you would like to create: new sale, new layaway, or new order. For this demonstration, we will be creating a new sale. Next, add the item being sold. If the item is not currently in your inventory, you can use the Quick Sale option. Otherwise, select the item directly from your inventory, as shown in this example. After adding the item, select the customer associated with the transaction. You can choose an existing customer from your customer list or create a new customer profile if needed. If applicable, apply any discounts to the sale and select the appropriate tax settings. The transaction summary will automatically update to display the subtotal, taxes, and total amount due. If the customer has available store credit, you can apply it to the transaction at this stage. Next, proceed to the payment section. If the customer is using multiple payment methods, select Split Payment and enter the amount for each payment type. If the payment is being made entirely with cash, simply enter the full amount received. In this example, we will be using a debit card payment. Once the payment information has been entered, tap Save Transaction to complete the sale. After the transaction is saved, you can select the sale to view the complete transaction details. This page provides a full record of the sale, including customer information, items sold, payment details, and transaction totals. For transactions exceeding $3,000, it is recommended that you print a detailed receipt for your records and the customer's reference. For standard transactions, you can print a regular sales receipt at the time of purchase. That's it. You have successfully completed a sale using the Jeweler's Flow app.